Hey y'all, welcome back to Side on the Shed. Today we're outside and I wanted to show you something that I did at the beginning of the week here. Now, about a week ago, the electric fuel pump went out in the truck. Okay, no big deal. So I put a new one. I'd put a new pump in the damn thing, dropped the tank and everything, and then Monday morning, 5 o'clock Monday morning, I'm heading into work. Stop, I get fuel. Right after that, the damn fuel pump dies. Okay, I didn't know it was the fuel pump at the time. I'm thinking, hey, it's a brand new fuel pump in this thing, just put it in. Can't be the fuel pump, got to be something else. So anyway, it took 6 hours for a damn tow truck to show up and tow the truck home. And then I spent about another 3 hours going through the whole system. Going through the whole fuel system, the electrical system, anything I could think of, because I knew it couldn't be a brand new fuel pump out of the box. Well, it turns out it was a bad fuel pump straight out the box. And so I'm sitting here and I'm going, I can't go another 2-3 days tearing this thing apart again, dropping the tank, because now it's full, completely full of fuel. And I didn't want to do it. So unfortunately, I did something that I really didn't want to do, but it was the easiest way for me to do it, and here I will show it to you. Alright, here's the bed of my old truck, and yep, this is what I ended up doing. Cut a hole in it so I could get the damn fuel pump out. Now this thing here, once I cut the hole in it, you know what? It took me a total of about 15 minutes to swap that fuel pump out. The other way we did it before, my God, with a almost full fuel tank on my back, not even on good pavement, but rocky old pavement and everything, and 2 people, 2 jacks, a few pieces of wood and everything. That was almost a 2-day project to drop this tank and then get it back up in and fish all the connections up, because you don't got much room for all these connections. So yeah, I just went ahead and cut the damn hole. Now in a couple weeks, because I don't work well with metal, but in a couple weeks I'll have my buddy Doogie over here, and we're gonna patch this. We're gonna fix this back so I don't have this big gaping hole in here, which I already was coming home yesterday, or day before yesterday, and something's dragging, something's grinding. Thought maybe brake shoe or something, brakes had locked up, something had happened. And I got to looking at it, and damn can came down and fell in the hole and got itself wedged up against my drive shaft. And so as the drive shaft is moving, that's what I was hearing. So yeah, I got to get this covered up. But anyway, like I said, I hated to do it. I hated to cut a hole in it, but that's what I had to do to get it done. Alright guys, appreciate y'all watching. We'll catch you next time.